Hey there, I'm Mac, and today we're checking out what's new at Prima. If you're familiar with our videos, you've probably noticed that we're in a new space. So welcome to Studio B. We are super excited to have this fresh space to create more coffee-related content. You also might be wondering who the heck I am, and that's because I'm also new at Prima. I joined the team earlier this year as the Content and Partnerships Manager, and I'm thrilled to be part of the Prima team. I can't wait to create lots of content for all you lovers of coffee out there. We've also just added a whole new list of coffee accessories to our catalog, so let's check them out, shall we? Starting off with some espresso accessories from Normcore. Normcore is known for their really functional, well-priced stuff. Their designs are super sleek, making for some very pretty equipment. And one of their products that I highlight later in the video is what put them on the map, so let's get into it. This magnetic dosing funnel lets you grind directly into the basket without spills. It comes with 9 neodymium magnets lining the ring so it snaps flawlessly to your basket, and it's ideal for those wishing to use a WD tool to break up those grinds while preventing spills. It's compatible with Breville group heads under 58 millimeters and nifty for messy baristas like myself. Here we have the 304 stainless knockbox drawers in sizes small and medium. These help save space on a coffee bar by allowing you to store a grinder or accessories on top. Just simply pull the drawer out and knock your portafilter on the rubber bar to discard your spent espresso pucks and then tuck them back out of sight. They're available in medium and small to accommodate different grinders. Both are sturdy enough to bear the weight of any coffee grinder that'll fit the platform. These spring-loaded self-leveling tampers utilize the edges of the portafilter to remain level, ensuring a perfectly even tamp every single time. Included are interchangeable springs, 15, 25, and 30 pounds to optimize pressure for your comfort. The 53.3 millimeter tamper is compatible with 54 millimeter Breville baskets, and the 58.5 is compatible with baskets like VST, Pullman, or IMS. They feature a flat piston as opposed to a rippling piston, and it's the perfect tamper for both aspiring home baristas and busy cafes. Made from durable silicone rubber, this tamping station prevents messes and protects your equipment from spills and scratches. It features a wraparound design that hugs the edge of your counter. Designed to hold your portafilter securely while you tamp, you'll get the perfect tamping angle for maximum efficiency and safety. It's compatible with 54 and 58 millimeter barista accessories and a great piece to have on your coffee bar to keep your workspace clean, organized, and protected. These awesome little organizers are a perfect place to store tampers, distributors, WDT tools, RDT bottles, Puckscreens, and your spouted portafilters. The design allows users to tamp directly onto the tamping station, removing the need to purchase a tamping mat. You can choose between oak, walnut, and silicone construction, and they're compatible with 54 and 58 millimeter barista accessories. Normcore's Ultra Slim Puckscreen provides the same benefits as other Puckscreens, including cleaner group heads and improved water distribution over the grounds. But due to its thin design, it's far easier to clean, and it's available in both 54 and 58 millimeter size variants. This screen is a great way to mitigate the effects of bad shower heads or to keep your group head cleaner for longer, and it's made of 316 stainless steel with a titanium PVD coating for durability. Once you go handleless, you may never go back. These 450 milliliter milk pitchers offer better control over your pour, allowing for more intricate latte art designs and better comfort in the hand. They feature a heat-resistant silicone grip, a Teflon finish for easy cleanup, graduated markings, and a lightweight 1 millimeter diameter stainless steel body. They're available in both black and white, so choose what you like. This little guy is so neat. If you're tired of bending down to see your extraction from your bottomless portafilter, this espresso shot mirror is the thing for you. It's a swiveling 70 millimeter HD glass mirror that makes it easy to see your shot without craning your neck. The mirror is affixed to the magnetic base of your espresso machine, and there's a 360 swiveling ball head that allows you to view it at all angles. Just note that the magnetic base may or may not magnetize to your espresso machine's steel panels. High quality stainless steel is generally not magnetic, whereas low quality stainless tends to magnetize quite well due to its composition. Nonetheless, this mirror works equally well when sitting just on the drip tray, If you're curious about one of the machines in our catalog, just know that we can try it out for you and see if this thing sticks on. Moving on to our lineup of new iKAPE accessories. I really love this brand. All of their designs are very classy looking, lots of wood, and there's a ton of versatility in the things that they offer. iKAPE 7-in-1 Espresso Organizer Box features 7 storage options and a tamping surface. Just about any tamper, distributor, portafilter, brush, or puckscreen has a place in this useful little box. The organizer is constructed of walnut and silicone parts. Its universal design fits all espresso accessories from 51 to 58 plus millimeters, and a ring adapter is included for 51 to 54 millimeter portafilters, as well as a second adapter for 58 millimeter portafilters. A clean espresso bar makes for a happier workflow and better tasting coffee, and you can keep loose grounds under control with this handy brush set, designed for small spaces and flat surfaces around your grinder and espresso machine. The fan-shaped solid wood brush is crafted from FAS grade tulip wood and horsehair in rich color with natural grain, offering an ergonomic grip. The aluminum pin brush features a food-safe aluminum handle and durable nylon bristles for lasting performance and efficient cleaning. This silicone drying mat is a perfect storage solution for anything that gets wet during the coffee making process, including pour-over drippers, spoons, milk pitchers, shot glasses, or anything else. This mat features a honeycomb design that effectively prevents water from pooling, and it keeps your drying items elevated above the water surface so things don't get wet. I think this might be my favorite of all of the new espresso accessories we've listed. This cool Petal shot glass is not only an elegant vessel to hold your espresso, but it also features graduated markings up to 3 ounces that allow you to track your shot volume. The pointed spout of the Petal glass makes it mess-free, and it transfers from glass to cup that way. We used it during a project that you'll be seeing very soon, actually, and man, did it make pouring shots in a quick environment so easy. I don't think we had one drop spill out of this little guy, so I highly recommend. Calibrated tampers like the iKAPE V3 utilize the edges of the portafilter to maintain an even tamp every time, and they also use an internal spring calibrated to specific weight, in this case 30 pounds, removing any guesswork for tamping pressure and edge-to-edge flatness. Calibrated tampers are the future of espresso making, and iKAPE offers some great value for anyone wanting to give them a try. Our iKAPE calibrated tampers feature a flat piston with rippling. The 53.3 millimeter base are compatible with Breville 54 millimeter baskets, and 58.5 bases are compatible with VST, Pullman, and IMS baskets. Using this coffee organizer box, you can keep your espresso tamper, your distributor, portafilter baskets, and espresso puck screens neatly on the table. It's made of pure natural solid walnut wood, and it is drop-proof and durable with a thick texture. 4 non-slip feet on the bottom effectively prevent the table from slipping and wearing. If you like things organized, this will definitely do it for you. This tamper station features a slot design to store your espresso accessories. The bolt on this espresso portafilter stand allows for free height adjustment, which lets you tamp steadily and reduce wobbling. The 3-hole design of the station lets you place your espresso tamper, coffee distributor, and 58 millimeter portafilter in an organized manner. That's all I've got, folks. We are stoked about all of these espresso accessories that really will enhance your at-home coffee making process. You can find all of these products at primacoffee.com, along with lots of other great coffee equipment. See you in the next one, and thanks for watching.